How would you like to earn $2.45 over and over and over again by doing micro tasks under micro time? Today, we're going to be showing you a method that's very simple and that's available worldwide. Plus, it's going to be absolutely free to do. You won't need to make any investments or any cash advancements or pay anything to join. It's free for all, so no excuses. Just simply do it to find out that you can actually earn some pretty good money through our method for today. It's available to everyone around the whole wide world, so even if you're from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Syria, US, Canada, no matter where you're from, where you are, you can participate and earn your money today. You know that we only serve you the best content because we want you guys to make real money from methods that we show you, and that is why this opportunity is yet another great one that you can earn money from unlimitedly. You can do this not once, not twice, but a million more times over until you simply just give up, which hopefully you won't, so you can continuously earn. Now, obviously, this method won't make you a millionaire, but if you are a beginner looking to earn some good money on this side, this is perfect for you. In fact, it is beginner friendly, so it's meant for those who are just starting out. So what are you waiting for? As always, keep going to watch this video, okay? We are going to be walking you through this whole process for today's video step by step so that you won't get lost and so that you can do everything according to the way that we do it and earn the same way that we are. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start the process for today, we want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in hivemicro.com and hit enter on that. And then that should take you to this website right here. As you can see, simple tasks, real money. Make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. You can even do this method on your phone, and it can be downloaded on any iOS or Android device, which makes everything so much better because you can take your work with you absolutely anywhere. If you're going out for lunch, if you want to travel, you can still keep on earning, which is just beyond great. All it takes is 4 easy steps. Number 1, you sign up. You register directly or with your Facebook profile. Number 2, you apply for jobs, and jobs here are diverse and readily available. Number 3, you complete tasks. So you work on tasks in the jobs that you've unlocked. And number 4, our favorite, you get paid, and a weekly payment via PayPal or Bitcoin is given out. So those are the 4 easy steps to how this website works. It's literally not complicated in any way, shape, or form, so you have no reason not to try today's method out. To our newcomers, where are you from? We'd love to know, especially because we're growing, you guys. So leave a comment down below and let us know. So some sample tasks would be to draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, or even track the same object across frames in a video. And that's literally how simple the tasks would be. Who gives the tasks, you ask? A variety of teams from small startups, universities, and larger companies come to us to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, or building autonomous vehicles. So there are also so many types of jobs on this site, like categorizations, where you organize your media with discrete categories, bounding boxes, wherein you identify items of interest with one or many bounding boxes, audio transcription, which is when you listen to an audio snippet and write down what is said, and there's even semantic segmentation, which is to classify each pixel of an image. So there are over 1.5 million users already, 200 plus countries, and over $2 million earned. If you scroll down, you'll see testimonials from people from all over the world, which reassures you and us that this app is as true as they say they are. And people are really earning from here, and you can too. If you scroll lower, you will find some facts. So if you have any questions like will you get paid, or how you'll get paid, or if you're qualified, all of those questions are answered at the bottom part of this website. You just need to visit Hive Micro and read them for yourself. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To sign up, just click on this button below, and then it will redirect you to this page right here, wherein you're going to provide your full name, email address, password twice, the country that you are in, and as you can see, we're pretty sure that this website caters to countries from A to Z, so don't even worry about that. Then language, and you can also choose from a lot, and if they ask you how they found you, or you found them, you can just choose YouTube because you heard it from me, of course, or other, wherever you want. And then you make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you are over 18 years old. So if you are, then check the box 2. Then confirm you aren't a robot, and once that's all completed correctly, you're gonna hit submit. Once you submit, there are a few things that you must comply with, like your signature, your demographic info, and more. And then you're going to have to verify your email address, and that email should look just like this. And you're just going to want to click verify email, and that will lead you straight into your account. And this is what your dashboard would look like. As you can see, there are beginner jobs, featured jobs, new jobs, and a whole lot more. And what's great about this is that there's a ton every single day, which means you never run out of opportunity. So as an example, how about let's try this one that pays out $40 to transcribe. And if you click on it, this should pop up. And then you're going to have to click on Start Test. Now this test is a qualifier test. You need to pass it so that they'll take you in to do that task, right? So you're going to take that qualifier test, and once you pass that, boom, that's $40 in less than an hour, probably only 30 minutes, which is absolutely insane. You can do this more than once. You can actually do this 20 times a day if you have that much time. But if you only have little time, then there are also tasks for that, which is just mind-blowing. So make sure you try this method out. Update us on how it goes, and that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.